Welcome back, everyone. iOS 16 was just released, so I downloaded it. But when I'm ready to install it, it pops up a window saying unable to install. It's very annoying. So I check it out, and I know how to fix it now. If you have the same issue, follow me. Upgrade to iOS 16 with Reboot. Reboot is an iOS repair tool but also could upgrade your iPhone to iOS 16. Check the download link in the description and download it. Once installed, connect your iPhone to a PC or Mac and open Reboot. Click the Start button and choose Standard Repair here. Click Download. It will download the latest iOS 16 firmware that is needed. Wait for a while. It won't take long, depending on your network condition. When the download is done, click Start Standard Repair. It will begin to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 16. The upgrade process usually won't take a long time, just wait for it complete. Then you can see my iPhone is upgraded to iOS 16 now. It is very simple and efficient. Go try it. Enjoy it. That's it. Hope this video is helpful to you. I will be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos.